My name is Evrim. Welcome to my channel. First of all, from wherever you're attending, from wherever you're joining me, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. In Shanghai, here it's around 7 p.m. So good night from Shanghai, good evening from Shanghai. Please take a second to subscribe, like and comment below over there. I'll really appreciate it. I just want to share my life over here a bit more, what we do, how is life in China, how we do things over here, how, culture, business, technology, how everything is developing super fast over here. So I want to share them with you. If you have any comments, if you have anything that you're curious about and you want me to shoot a video about it, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll be reading them, all of them. The most important thing here today is we're gonna start our journey with one beautiful thing. Let me show you. This is my new bicycle, but it's not one piece. I have to assemble them together. I have no idea, I've never done that before. So I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna see if I can do it by myself. Hopefully I will. And if I can't, I'll ask you some questions or you can help me maybe, right? So we're gonna get to know each other even more in the following videos. I hope you like it. And with this bicycle, we're gonna be, going around the city and I'll be showing you a lot of places and we're gonna have a ride. So I'm very excited to open this box. I have no idea what I'm gonna see, but hopefully we'll like it. Let's get started. Okay. We have the basket.
Let's get them out of the way. Okay. Alright, so we're kind of getting closer.
I have no idea. That seems very strict.
This is free to go as well. How am I gonna do that? Oh, that came apart.
Oh. Yeah. Cheetos. Hi guys, so finally the bicycle is finished. I can't believe it. I don't know how long it's been, but I think it wasn't that long. I haven't even looked at any YouTube videos But the basket, I can't just put it because there's something missing. So I gotta find that part. We're almost ready, and I can't wait to explore Shanghai with this beautiful thing that I've been dreaming about, that I've been thinking about, but it wasn't acting on it. Finally I did. And you know what we should do? We should put a name on this beautiful thing. Let's name it. What should we call it as? Any suggestions, please? Drop it down in the comments, and that'll be great because I'm gonna go and go through and then read all of them. So that would be awesome to hear from you. And other than that, this is what we're gonna be doing. So if you have any questions, again, drop them in the comments. I'll be reading all of them. So please subscribe, like, and comment, and share. That'll be awesome. I really appreciate. And I need to try this. But before, let me see where my cats are. Because it's interesting. They normally smell things, new things. So they're not really around. I wonder if they're afraid, kind of intimidated by this. I gotta find where they are. Don't go anywhere. So we gotta go now, and we'll see you very soon. Ooh.